Hey guys, this is your boy again from Apple Genius by the Sea. Today we're going to look at a renowned case in the Apple world. It's called LifeProof. This is the LifeProof for the iPhone 5. It's actually called the LifeProof Frē. I guess they changed the design a bit, so they've also changed the name. What I really like about this case, it's waterproof, dirtproof, snowproof, shockproof. It's everything but bulletproof. It's also military grade tested, and it's actually a really good case. So let's just unbox it for you and let's see how it actually looks. Alright, so when I open the box, what comes with it? It's your headphone adapter. Same deal, because when you actually use a normal headphone, it won't fit because of the case. So they give you this adapter which will allow you to put your headphones or auxiliary cables. What's a really nice thing about this too is, what a lot of people don't realize, is that they actually give you this little, oops, give me 1 second. They actually give you this little top piece over here where you actually bottom, it's for the 4 is the top, where you can actually have a replaceable one in case you ever do lose these knobs to close your headphone jack. Alright, so what else is in the box is your warranty, your information booklet. They give you a cleaning cloth, and let's actually check it out with the phone. What I'm going to do for this purpose is, I'm not going to actually close the case completely, but I'm just going to fit it in. I guess you have to go from the bottom first. I'm so used to the iPhone 4 one. There you go. There you have it. So then what you do is, you basically make sure you guys check the instructions how to maintain the case and how to actually apply it. It's very important for the warranty. And then you basically make sure the rubber lining is correct and you clip it in. Alright, once it's in, feels actually not that much bulkier, gives you a good protection. Everything is fully functional, like your cameras, front and back, your sleep button, also your speakers, even in the water. I've tested it. Alright, what's the nice thing with this case for the iPhone 5? It's also that the back, the Apple logo is revealed, which is a big change from the iPhone 4's LifeProof case, which is pretty neat. You know, it actually looks pretty good. And the LifeProof for the 5 also comes in a variety of colors. They come also in blue, black, red, and you could also get a lot of accessories for them, like the life jacket if you're gonna go swimming and you don't want your phone to sink, the armband for working out, the belt clip, and bike and bar mount. Alright, that's the review for the LifeProof for the iPhone 5, guys. There you have it. Apple Genius over and out.